I love to see that their light goes on because it's so easy and effortless, and they understand the need after I do my workshop, of course, why this is relevant.
That's Leah Bowden, one of the Census Bureau's Data Dissemination Specialists. She's part of a core team of trainers that work directly with our customers, training them on how to access their data and learning more about their needs.
And opening up folks to new ways to really explore and learn about our data.
From Manhattan to the US-Mexico border, these data geeks are expert communicators representing our diverse population, ensuring everyone has access to our data.
We have specializations in different languages, different ethnic groups, and so we can work with everyone that may need assistance from us. America is so diverse, and so we have to be able to deal with everyone on whatever level they may be looking for data.
That level could be anyone from an expert looking for something very specific or a novice user who doesn't know where to start. The dissemination team's work is centered around the customer, tailoring their lessons to the customer's needs, whether it's over the phone, during a webinar, or in a classroom-style group training presentation.
There are various ways that we deliver content within Census.gov. We focused on hands-on training in a computer lab setting, ideally, but we're also able to go out and do presentations and also, of course, conduct webinars as well. Various methods, whether it's even just over the phone.
We're empowering our users to find exactly what they need when they need it, while the users are giving us a chance to learn more about how we can help them.
Working on the front line for data users is so important for the Census Bureau to encourage, because then we can bring back innovation to our products and make our products real, because it doesn't do us any good to have wonderful products on our website if no one knows how to use them.
And building those relationships with the community and business leaders brings its own rewards.
I get that charge whenever I'm with our data users. They give so much to me by sharing our census data, and I'm so honored and humbled by the experience to work with them to hopefully help them in their work.